Hi everyone, this is Kaya Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko muna ito ng reaction video, ang Cat Den compilation. It's been a while na hindi tayo nakapag-Cat Den, so I won't say it longer. Let's start this reaction video agad-agad. Dapat ganon, Jess.
I was very happy because I was able to visit my best friend in Australia.
Oh.
You know, it's just refreshing to see.
Yung ginawa nila ng chismis, Cat, nakasama mo daw ang alleged boyfriend mo daw. Di ba, Kat?
So, I needed that recharge from my best friend. So, I went there. Nag-catch up kami. I was able to see her place as well. Her, parang inward din niya ako sa area na yun. So, it's a good experience. It's refreshing. And it's a place na sabi ko, pwede ko siya balikan every year. It's so peaceful there, you know, away from all the noise here.
So
I'm just happy I got to see my best friend.
Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen, Catherine Bernardo. Tumahimik daw kayo sa mga chismis. Blooming ang Catherine natin, di ba kaya? Atake? Ano bang bagong chismis, TJ? Wala. Wala bagong chismis. Napagalitan tayo, Chis.
She looks young to me too, yeah.
Ayan. Ano to? Okay. Ay, ito. Yung mga ganap nila. Okay. That's so right. Ganda ni Kat. Ladies and gentlemen, ito talaga ang blooming.
I'm just very, very grateful. I got to experience all the whole process.
What's the process?
Grabe, kakaiba sa experience. Nakakatawa kasi it's gonna bring pride again sa atin, mga Pilipino, to bring a Filipino flag dun sa Madame Tussauds na attraction. Siguro pag makita ko na yung wax figure in person, dun pa lang talaga siyang magsisink in sa akin na, wow, I have a wax figure. Tapos, hindi ako nahirapan din. We're all very friendly, very appreciative.
Parang magsalita sila ni Alden, parehas na talaga sila, no? Diba? I mean, ako lang ba? O kayo din? Parehas na sila talaga magsalita, pati yung tono. The way they delivered as well, diba?
I was just following their instructions. I was just following their lead. And para lang akong curious cat doon na tanong ng
curious cat. I love that.
Nahawakan nila nalalagay sa face ko.
I love that.
Actually, alam.
Ay, totoo ba?
Hindi nila alam na magkakaroon ako ng wax figure.
Oh.
Makita ng papa ko, baka magulat siya. Sino ang anak niya?
Atake.
Sana proud siya. Kasi,
Oo naman, Kat.
Yes. As the figure, but syempre, isa naman sila talaga sa tumulong sa akin to make that possible. It means so
Oo
much
naman,
to
Kat.
It inspires me to do more. Kasi pag nakita mo, parang magpa-flashback sa akin yung journey na napagdaanan mo yung ilang years na yun when I started when I was 6 and now I'm 29 and then nangyari to. Yung proseso na pinagdaanan mo to deserve that.
True.
Wow.
I couldn't agree more.
Very humbling siya. Tapos, full circle moment din siya for me because I used to line up there, buy tickets. You know, parang when I was a kid, I just want to go there and meet my idol and I want to experience Madame Tussauds. But now, you get to be part of it. So, isn't that so surreal?
Surreal.
So, nakakatawa. Hopefully, it's something na mapagmamalaman, especially yung pamangkin ko, pag makita nila na it's Makita Cat there. It's something na pag makita ng mga younger generations, makita din nila na, it's possible if you dream big, you do all the works, and just overflowing with so much joy and gratitude. Yes, to all my kababayans and to all my Filipino fans, is it. I'm so happy na pwede ko nang i-share itong special news sa inyong lahat. Sana po abangan nyo ang wax figure ko next 2026 because I'm now
atake ka dyan, Kat.
Madame Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds. Ay! Bakit naman pagod? Simp. Simp.
Even Derek Kaki, I think, ginawa ni Derek Kaki or director for
Wait,
House of Oz.
tingnan natin si Alden kung anong ganap ni Alden.
Can bring back so many.
Simp. Pagod na pagod din ako. Ay, hello. Ay, this is the McDo. Ay, oh, baby talaga siya. Ay, baby talaga siya. Charis. Alden Richards never disappoints, right? Ay, yes. Si Alden to? Gwapo ni Alden. Diba, Kat, sa'yo lahat yan? I mean, yeah. Charis. Ay, let's go. Ay, oo naman kayo. Ay, ano to, Diyos ko. Tingnan natin yung Kat din. Wala pa tayong mga chismis ngayon for today's video. Hindi muna tayo mag-chismis because why not? Ay, ano to? They will spend. Okay. Ano ibig niya sabihin dyan? Right plus heart A. Ayan na. Kahit ikaw mismo hindi mo maintindihan yung analysis mo, ito talaga eh. Dito talaga nagsimula lahat. Dito talaga nagsimula lahat. Diba? Ngayon yung sabihin sa akin, walang something. Charis! Low-key talaga kasi sila. Tahimik lang talaga yung atake nila. Ganun talaga. Alam mo naman, isa publiko nila, di marami na namang mag-aaway-away. Charis! Kaya mas okay na tahimik na lang. Ano? Ay. Number 3.
Based on how I know Kat, right? It's not really about how you in terms of the bad side. It's how you make that good in you resonates to other people. That's how she is to me and to everyone around her. Thank you. Mga 7 a.m. tas may shades yan. Sika. Action!
Ay. Atake. Nakakamiss sila, in fairness. Hello. Ay. May lambing kasi. May lambing kasi, ganun talaga.
Well, basically, I've known Kat naman din for quite some time now. I already know what she wants, how she sees her life. One thing we have in common is we're both good people. She's for other people as well. So I think kami sa values na meron kami sa mga buhay namin.
Ay. Ganon. Hindi na pretty. Anything. Wonder is Chica. The one who is always making a Chica. Hindi nakaka-pretty. Just, di ba?
Excited when she wants to tell you something na interesting or
Talaga pa. Anyways, that is all for today's video from Kat Den Compilation. This is Kiyama Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!